dapat daw, alam ng kar to understand the characteristics of successful meeting planners. And alam dapat din kung ano yung responsibility ng meeting planner. And alam dapat kung paano mag-discuss ng activities na gagawin natin. So, meron parang sangay yung meeting activities or side activities, goals, meeting activities. So, yung meeting activities ay management. Meron siyang group or sponsor meetings of usually appoint as a single individual or company to coordinate. Yung person na yun, siya yung nasa coordinate na meeting planner, meeting manager, sila yung mga tao nasa coordinate namin.
Anong tawag doon sa taong yun?
Coordinate.
Coordinate, meeting coordinate.
Coordinator yan.
Hindi. Coordinator, meeting, director, professional, congress, and organizer. Sila yung mga tao. So, yung meeting planners is must possess strong administrative and leadership qualities. So, dapat na yung strong leadership qualities. And dapat,
pag-ibigin na lang yan.
dapat meron siyang
Pag-ibig.
and characteristics na personality.
Ulit.
Dapat meron siyang 10 personality and characteristics of successful meeting planners. So, dapat
Aktibo.
responsive, attentive, intelligent, prompt, forceful, responsive, attentive, intelligent,
Ano yun?
prompt, yung 10 qualities
10 qualities.
characteristics of prompt to be successful. Prompt,
Pakiulit po, mami.
hardworking dapat siya, friendly and hospitable.
Hardworking.
Friendly, hospitable.
Ano yung kanina? Hindi ko nasunod.
Laki ng ilong ko. Laki ng ilong.
So, mostly yung sumasali sa ganito meeting planners, mga age nila, between 35 and 65 years old. Yung mga sumasali sa mga association, yung mga corporate meeting. And then, more than 50% are women. Then, 66% yung mga colleges. College education. Have a college education. Most of them have more than 4 years of experience in this field. So, may yung mga responsibilities ng
Salamat.
meeting planners, yun nga, yung pre-meeting activities, on-site, saka post-meeting activities. Yung pre-meeting activities, ito yung pinaplanong gagawin ng meeting planner. So, dapat pinaplano niya yung agenda of the meeting, establish the objectives of the meeting, fix the attendance, establish, plan the agenda of the meeting, establish the objective of the meeting, protect the attendance, establish the objective of meeting, protect the attendance, set the budget of the meeting, select the site of the meeting. What are those na? Ito nga po yung ano na, yung pinaplano nila bago pa lang gagawin yung meeting.
Set the budget of the meeting.
Set the budget of the meeting. Select the site of the meeting.
What is the budget component? Ano mga, ano kapalong in that budget of the meeting?
Ano yun?
Ano yung mga
The establish the objectives of the meeting. Saan ko? Yung attendance.
I think ito.
Ha? Correct.
Paano na meeting yan, ha?
Tapos yung mga expenses sa kanila.
Sa kanila.
Protect.
Ano yung pang-advertise?
Ano?
Yung pangapat, set the budget of the
Project
meeting.
ba o correct?
Protect.
Predict.
Protect.
Project.
Ako, project.
Predict the attendance. Pangapat, set the budget of the meeting. Predict the attendance. Alam mo yung mga attendance.
Ano yun?
Kailangan mas marami.
Akala ko hula, ano, kung sino ka dumapit. Hindi,